Today we're going to be working on speed as it relates to scales. First thing we're going to do is look at C major, kind of burst towards the E. So we know it's 1, 2, 3, C, D, E. And the idea is we're going to go C, D, E. Right? I'm just moving towards that note. So we're going to put on actually a medium tempo to just try that. I want you to feel like all your energy is going for that E. 3, 4, 2, and do it again. So it's like the first couple notes are a pickup, because that's the downbeat. 3, 4. And practice just kind of going for it. While you do that, I'll accompany you. Ba-da-da. Keep doing it. Da-ga-da. Ba-da-da. Good. Doing it, really rush towards that note. Let's call that easy for now, because what we're about to do is the challenging part. Probably the most challenging part about playing a scale is when you turn your thumb under or when a finger comes back over. So when you're playing a C major scale, basically what happens is you play 1, 2, 3, and then your thumb goes under. And we've all seen keyboard players, pianists that play kind of like this, and then there's a big elbow motion, and then maybe they're looking through, no, they're not really doing that. There's a big elbow motion, and their thumb turns under, and it's this kind of exaggerated thing. And you can certainly see a lot of guys doing that. That's what I want to encourage you to avoid. And the reason my teacher would pull my arm along is so I wouldn't get hung up in this. You move, and your hand and your arm are in such motion that you don't really have to be doing this whole big turn. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of burst into the F in this case. So it's going to be like this. We're really going to go as fast as we can and aim for that. And you're going to feel that there's a little motion of your arm moving, and there's not any of this turning. So let's put on a medium click and play it together. 3, 4. Now, these notes are pick up to the F, 2, 3, 4, and go, right? And just kind of going as fast as you can. Keep it going. And if you mess up and make a mistake, I won't tell anybody. It's okay. I'll accompany you. But F, keep going for the F. Cool. Now, of course, our goal is to fly through the scale. So we're going to use this bursting technique to do it. The next thing we want to do is we want to aim towards the G. So we practiced getting to that F, right? So now we're going to really push our energy towards the G. Let's do it together, same tempo, and feel it out. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Really just go there. Don't be afraid. The worst that'll happen is it'll sound like this. And it'll be like modern classical music, which can be cool as well. If I put this accompaniment to you, it'll all sound good. Could be jazz. There we go. So really go to that note. Just light and then accent. Keep going. Just really go for it. And I'll accompany you now with something more modern. Da, the G, da, da, da. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Go for it. Good. Remember to stay very light until you hit that accent. Even if you don't play those notes fully, the most important thing is getting to your destination. So now we're going to go. Now we're moving towards the A. Let's put on our click again and practice that together. 3, 4, 2. So you're always starting after the 4. 2, 3, 4. Just go for it. Don't be afraid. Remember, it can sound like dissonant. Doesn't matter. As long as you're... I invite all you perfect pitch people out there to tell me what those chords are I'm playing. Here we go. It'll be kind of a good challenge. As long as it resolves in the C, I guess we're okay. So here we go. Keep it going. Just really pull towards it. We really got the hard part done, because turning the thumb under to the F is the really hard part. After that, if you can keep on going, gets, let's call it a little bit easier. Let's do the bursting to the B together. Here we go. 4, 2, just really go and play lightly on all the notes leading up to it, and then you accent the B. Keep going. Oops. The final challenge of this will be to get the thumb to turn under again to go to the next C, because you're going to go thumb under and then thumb under. So you're moving through all that to get there. And then I'll leave it up to you to keep on doing this and practicing to be able to get the scales from the bottom of the keyboard to the top. So let's work on the moving towards that top C and octave from where you started. 1, 2, 3, and burst. 3. Now you're really going to have to start thinking about how you're going to move your arm, because you don't want to get caught up in this. That's the whole point of this, because that will slow you down. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. There we go. 3, 4. 2. Just really go for it. Now I'll accompany you. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Really burst into it. Most important is to get to your destination, to feel the motion, to feel this lightness, to kind of imagine in your mind's eye that there's somebody almost like pulling you along, right? You're playing your scale, whatever it is, and you're just going for it. So a combination of practicing the independence and the strength. It's awesome to be able to show you some of the tricks of the trade that I've developed. through the many years. And my friends, I will see you at the next one.